Today's video is brought to you by Xrsbeauty Hair. Let's get into this packaging. The packaging is just so cute. The packaging alone is giving high quality, so I'm excited to see what the hair is giving. Let's go ahead and unbox this hair. Starting off with what came inside of the box, we have a comb, an adjustable strap that you can sew onto the back of your wig. We also have a edge brush and a wig cap, and also these curler things. I forgot what they're called, but y'all know what they are. This is their new clear lace wig, and when I say clear, I mean clear. It melts into the skin. You don't even need to do too much to this wig at all. The knots are so small, they're basically invisible, you guys. This hair does not shed. I was running my fingers through it. It's really the softest hair. Wasn't getting tangled at all. The flow is just so pretty. It has such an amazing bounce to it. I just couldn't wait to get this hair installed. And I'm showing you guys here the difference between a transparent lace and a clear lace. It's a huge difference. You can definitely see the transparent lace on my arm compared to the clear lace. The way that this clear lace is about to melt down, y'all. Let's get into this install.
Every time I come over here, I literally tell her, what do she want to do, y'all? I don't never come over here with an idea.
This is such pretty hair. I don't want to do it with you.
Yeah. It's giving sleek because it's black hair.
Elevate. Only obligation is to tell it straight. So much on my plate, I gotta delegate. Vodka pass the drug, cause we gotta celebrate. I'm in better way, thinking how'd I make. All this happened for myself and my family. All this happened for myself and my family. There's no way that this is real, man, it can't be. Yeah. Stay busy making money. You know what is on my mind. All I think about is honest. I stay busy working on me. I stay busy with my business on me. I already hit her when you left her lonely. She is not the type that likes to take things slowly. My mouth is going off, I don't know patience. I got a chance, then my niggas got it too, like it's contagious. I see the future when I get wavy. But I couldn't picture beating champagne when I would buy that shit and save it for the right occasion. I couldn't picture changes when I was with Miss Creighton. That lady hates me. Couldn't picture wife and braided. When I was pumping gas on road trips to go from Cincinnati on a date, and I couldn't gauge it. I wanna thank God for working way harder than Satan. It's playing favorites, it feels amazing. Yeah. Elevate. Only obligation is to tell it straight. Me and all the guys found a better way. This a life bid, we can never separate. I'm in better way, thinking how'd I make. All this happened for myself and my family. All this happened for myself and my family. There's no way that this is real, man, it can't be.
Spider, sex, yeah. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches right. Just hung up the phone at night. That you come here home intoxicated. So good that I take your time for me. So I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Think you felt restless. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. For me.
Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a die. That's how you get shot. I DM in vanish mode. I do that shit a lot. Do that shit a lot. All my S's ain't nothing. Them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger. Don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage.
Time in a long time. Hurting deeply inside. First time in a long time. Hurting deeply. Trust.
Okay guys, so as y'all can see, I got my hair done. Shell did her thing with this hair. This is my hair. Thank you so much to XRS Hair. I think this might be my favorite wig, hands down. Like, I love me a bust down middle part, first of all. And they sent me a 22-inch and we did like a blunt cut at the bottom. And I just love how sleek it looks. Like, look at it, y'all. It's not too long. And the hair is just so soft and flowy. I haven't brushed this hair all day, y'all. I've been running around with this hair all freaking day. It's so soft, no tangling. Like, be for real. Be for real. This is their clear lace. And let me just say, like, even my stylist, she's like, this lace eats. Like, this lace, I don't know what company this is. I said, girl, it's Xrsbeauty Hair right here. I got the box for you right here. Because look at the lace. I'm feeling myself though. So yeah, thank you so much to Xrsbeauty Hair for sending me this wig. This is definitely a wig that I'm going to be using over and over. Make sure you go ahead and check the link down below so y'all can go get y'all this hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this video watching me get this hair installed. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a video, because who don't want to watch my videos? Everybody want to watch my videos, period. Love you guys.